Okay, so we're upstairs in my son's bedroom, and he's got two frames that his mother has been bothering me to hang up. One is a Luka Doncic autographed photo, and then one of the GOAT. I don't even need to explain who the GOAT is. So what we're going to do is we are going to center these on the wall. I'll show you how to do this. All right, so this wall is from this corner down to the corner. There's 117.5 inches. So we want each of these to be centered on part of the wall. So what we're going to do is divide the 117.5 by 3. Most people would think 2, but it's actually 3. Okay, so 117.5 divided by 3 is 39 and 3/16. So what we're going to do is we're going to come in from here to 39 and a quarter, which is this mark here. And then I went and measured from that corner 39 and a quarter to here. So it's actually like 39 and 3/16, but it's actually less than that, because that would give you 9/16, and that doesn't equal the half. So we're just going to go 39 and a quarter, call it good. Okay, so I know that these are 9-foot ceilings, so we're going to make a pencil mark here at 54 inches, and there's our 39 and a quarter. So what we need to do is get this sucker level. Okay. All right, we're going to draw a line there, and then we're going to draw a line at the 54-inch mark, which is half. That looks level. Okay, I do this with pencil, it makes it easier. So now what we need to do is measure our Luka Doncic frame and to see where the clip is going to be, and we'll do some math from there. All right, so after finding where the center would be, which is right here, because that frame is 26 and a quarter, so this would put it, this is 13 and an eighth from the center line, so this is where the top of it would be. After saying that, my wife said, nope, it needs to be this height. So I've already measured where the clip is. The clip is exactly 3 1/4 inches down. So we're gonna, from our level line here, we'll go ahead and we'll make a mark at 3 1/4 inches down as soon as we go, and then we'll drill our hole. Okay, so we've got our wall marked now. So that's where the clip needs to go. Now you see in my hand here, I've got these wall hangers. I hate those plastic grommets. I never know if I'm gonna hit a stud, and we're relatively close to a stud, but if you don't hit a stud, always use something a little bit tougher than that plastic stuff. So what we're gonna do is I've already got our wall marked here, and we're gonna put our fastener into the wall here. Good, and then we'll put our screw in. And what that screw does is it expands the back of that metal in there. So, all right, now we're ready to hang. Okay. And we'll set our level on it. That's level. Okay. So we hung the Jordan poster. Then we want the top to be there. So the bracket, the mounting bracket, is exactly 2 3/4 inches down. So that's where we'll make our mark, and we'll go ahead and we'll drill our hole. There it is, done. There you go. That's how simple it is. You notice they're evenly spaced. We were originally going to match them at center, vertically, but we decided against it. This looks better. So here we got baby goat and the goat.